Hello and welcome. My name is Kamini. I'm going to give you the tarot reading for the second part of May, the second half of May 2020. Now there are two groups here. Group number 1, group number 2. This is group number 1. This is group number 2. I'm going to start with group number 1 first. Let me keep this here. Okay, group number 1. This is what you have chosen. Okay, overall, let's see how your month is going to be. Group number 1. Okay, you are in a position in the second part of May. You are thinking about maybe growing your money. Maybe you have invested somewhere, or you're investing your money, or you are working somewhere and you're growing your money, and you're thinking about how you have to grow your money in future. So you've put all the seeds of finance, and you are waiting for it to ripe. So that's what you're doing in the second half of May. Okay, you're going to be very action oriented, maybe, or you need to be action oriented in the second part of May, maybe in terms of work, or in terms of certain activities. Maybe you're trying to find some work or employment in the second part of May. Okay, and your love life, I see the silver waterfall. You just have to change your energy, that's what it says. If you're feeling down, just go and change your energy. Maybe try to feel better, have a positive attitude in life, in terms of your love life or relationships or your family life. Okay, just a change of energy, change of thinking, that's required. Apart from that, what is the affirmation that you get? You've got the prosperity card, group number 1. Today I share my abundance with someone who needs a gift of kindness. So maybe you need to be giving something to somebody who's needy or something like that. So you might share your abundance, something to others in the second part of May. Love life, you need to change your energy in that. Action is what is required in terms of life. Maybe some kind of strategy, some kind of action, maybe in your career. And overall, your second part of May looks like you've put all the seeds. You can see 7 coins there. You've put all the seeds. You just want it to ripe. So you are growing your money in the second part of May. That's what I can understand. Now group number 2, this is what I see. If you've chosen this group number 2, let me see overall what it is. Overall, in the second part of May, I see that you are a little stressed out, group number 2, if you've chosen this one, and you need to take rest. Things are going to be okay. Maybe you are a little stressed out in certain areas of your life, but there need not be any kind of stress, because that doesn't help anyone. So you need not be stressful. In your love life, yes, you have some disappointments, but then that can easily be changed once you change your thinking, or once you start feeling better. You might find certain other ways of making your love life better. So don't despair in that. If you're feeling down in some way in your love life, things can change for you in the future. Be always positive with all your things, even your love life or your family life. Even there is no need to take any stress or tension right now. Just take your rest, take one day at a time. Group number 2. Now the advice card is the work card, and you have the perfect job finds me. Maybe you find a perfect job in the second part of May. Maybe that was stressing you out earlier. Maybe this was happening to you, but there is no need to stress, because that doesn't help. And finally, another card, energy card, is the temple part, which means that you need to be need to believe in yourself. You need to find that kind of peace, whether you find it from a divine source, or you need to find that you can meditate, you can find that peace inside you. Okay, and you can always get good things in life. Okay, it can come, and there is no need to feel down in your love life. And you just have to be yourself. Don't be stressed out. Just take care of yourself. Group number 2, in terms of maybe if you're having any kind of stress, don't take that. If you feel little stressed, you can always meditate, you can always do things that make you happy, maybe make you feel better. Okay, so this is for group number 2. I hope you've liked my reading. You can give me a thumbs up, you can subscribe to my channel, or you can write me a comment in the comment section. Till then, take care. In the month of May 2020, take care of yourself. Thank you so much.